talk. Chanel talk. Chanel talk. Hey Chanel, what you talking about?
Hey y'all, thank you for tuning in. Today's video is going to be a review slash tutorial. So I got this matte palette from Karity off Amazon for like 30 something dollars. And when I say this palette is the motherfucking bomb for $30. Yes. Okay. Ooh, look at these colors, so pretty. A lot of different colors for a lot of different looks. Very pigmented, show up very well with a base. Maybe without a base, but I always use a base, so I don't know about it without a base. But it's the bomb. They're easy to blend. Okay, so the tutorial would be a yellow cut crease tutorial for beginners. If you really don't know too much about makeup and how to apply it, I don't either. But hey, I got it done. Watch me do me. Keep watching.
With my face clean and primer already applied, I'll start with a yellow shade as my transition color. I'm going to blend this in really good with the e.l.f. blending brush above my crease right underneath my brow bone. You'll see me use several different blending brushes and crease brushes. The white ones are from e.l.f., the colored ones are from Amazon. Right under that transition color with the orange color, it's Vegas in the palette. The yellow one is called Tweety, by the way, and I'm gonna blend that into the transition shade. Next, I'm gonna go in with this brown color called Huntress, and I'm gonna blend that directly into my crease. And I'm gonna go back in with that yellow Tweety color to diffuse the line where I started applying that orange. You don't want no harsh lines, honey, none. Now it's crease time, so I am applying LA Girl Pro concealer in the color Toffee, and I'm carving out my eyelid, and I'm just dragging it down all over my eyelid and patting it on there. Technique to really get your shadows to show is to pack them versus swiping. And I like my creases cut, so I'm gonna go in with this e.l.f. angle brush and take that brown Huntress color, and I'm gonna just apply that right over where I started the cutting the crease, kind of outlining it. Again, it's called Sweetie. And I'm packing that yellow on there where I had the concealer. I can't talk today for some reason. But yeah, this is what you call a cut crease. And I like that real smoky effect. So next I'm going to take that brown Huntress and just pack that in the corner of my outer eye in like a V shape. And I'm just lightly tapping that in, and then you'll see me do some sweeping motions. That's just to diffuse the line where the yellow and brown meet so it can blend flawlessly. So I'm doing some little packing and little short sweeping motions to get that in there. That brown wasn't dark enough, so I went in with just a little bit of black. It's called Disturbia in the palette. So I really want that to stand out, so I had to darken it up. You don't want it too dark. So in a minute, I'm going to take another blending brush and blend that in. Spraying it, a damp beauty blender, that kind of helps you blend it in better. Now for the highlight and contour, I'm going to use just a little bit of concealer. I don't like it to look too highlighted, just a little bit, but this is LA Girl Pro in the color Toffee. I'm going to put that under my eyelids, on my chin, forehead, down the bridge of my nose. Then I'm going to take this highlight contour duo from Milani, and I'm going to take that around my hairline, hollows of my cheek, down the side of my nose, and where else?
Yep.
And highlighting and contour, highlighting brightens the face in the areas that you highlight. The contour will bring color back to your face and add dimension.